We're at the homeless building again. Yes, we are. Watch. This is leaking like a sieve all over the place, and it's loose. So we're gonna, and the flapper is no good. So we're gonna replace the fill valve flapper, reset the toilet. And then, similar situation in here. This is loose as a goose. That flapper is no good. So let's get to work. That's all right. Flange is okay. Put the wax on there, extra thick. Yeah, that flange is all right, man. You know what? Before I put this back on here, I should probably try and fix this. All right, I got that off. Now, just get the freaking fill valve out of there. Only benefit to working at this place is you got floor drains everywhere, so you can, everything's tile. You don't really have to worry about anything. All right. Replace the handle too, I guess. All right, now I got it. There's a guy working next door. I have to take everything, put it in that room. Otherwise, I risk the chance of getting my stuff stolen. Just crazy. All right, actually, before I do that, I'm gonna go next door, pull that toilet. So then I only have to make, if I need something else in the triz, I only have to make one trip. So let's do it. Let's be smart here. Use our brains, and we'll do that. Okay. This toilet is super loose. So we'll put this there.
Hey, tell you about the old toilet?
Looks like they tried to shim it and all kinds of crazy stuff. Wow. These bolts are completely bent as well. Wild. I'm gonna have to cut them. I'm gonna have to cut those. This toilet's wobbly as heck, dude. Wobbly as heck. I'm gonna have to shim it. I have to shim it and caulk the heck out of it, really. I have to bring my shop back up here and suck all this water out. All right, I wet vacked around the edges there, let that dry. And then we just need to put this little quirky guy on here. Oh, that's broken. No wonder. Oh, I didn't even notice that. Thing's broken. Oh. Well, all right. So I can't do this one. The little flush tube right there, the little thing that holds it on is broken. But that's okay. I mean, if this toilet is sealed properly, it's not that big of an issue, other than they're losing, water. The water bill's gonna be high, but there's so many leaks in this building that probably won't even notice, but I'm gonna have to report that. And this is a Toto, so we'd have to buy a new flush valve for that. So, all right then. Well, I'm gonna focus on shimming this, making sure it's level, and caulking the heck out of this thing, dude. I use these. I think these are Suchi shims. They're easy to cut. So the way I do it, I just go around the toilet and just feel. Maybe I don't need to shim this. Maybe a little bit in the back there. Yeah, okay, on this side right here, definitely. Shim it. It's actually the back over there. So, I'm gonna need 2 hands for this, but just take a blade. Ooh, that blade needs to be changed. And you just gently slice it. Look how much I used already. I make sure it's nice and sealed. So if someone jumps on this or falls on it or whatever, it ain't gonna go anywhere. So they can definitely rule out that this is what's causing a leak. I'm just gonna leave that off. They can definitely rule out that this is causing a leak. I didn't show it to you, but below this, on the ceiling, we're on the 5th floor today. The other day we were on the second. But they got leaks on 5 and 4. So, but they can rule this one out for sure. Okay, let's go next door. Okay, we'll do the fill valve. And then we'll get this taken care of. On the other toilet, that was broken off right there. If you weren't able to see it, those are pretty. Okay, let's do the fill valve. Flush valve in. Should have done the flapper first. Whatever. Maybe I should do the, I got a bunch of handles here. I don't know which one's gonna work, but we'll figure it out. There you go. right, that's looking good. Looking good. And then I'm gonna check it one more time. Now I just want to see if it needs shimming. 2 spots there, 2 spots there. Cut them, caulk them. That's it, folks. They can also rule this one out. That it's not leaking through the floor. Bag of trash. Gosh. What you don't see is that every time I have to run to the truck, which I've only had to do it once, I have to take all my tools with me. All right. We're out of here.